Alright guys, I'm going to run this for Michelangelo next, 11:35. Got Sugar Skull here. We're going to type live. If I can type. Alright, here we go. We are live, 11:35. 11:35. We will grab the list. 15 spots. And we will drop that into random. 15 entries. Josh on the bottom. And Chuck up on top. Alright, 2 dice, 5 or higher. And we have a 5, that's good, 5 times. Here we go. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 4 times. Dice is a 5. Next click, top spot. And 5. Congrats to Josh Model. Spot number 6. You are the winner. Get in touch and he will get that to you. We are done. 11:36. We will type done. We are done. 11:36. 11:36. Verification timestamp.